What's going on, guys? Hey, yesterday I had my windows tinted on the FL5. I also got the front resonator deleted, and I got the two mufflers on the side deleted. The car sounds really good, way better than stock. I don't feel no power loss, no power gain. It feels almost exactly the same. Now, today I'm gonna take the car to the track. It has a little under 600 miles on it currently. I bought it brand new, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw some octane booster in it just to help things out a little bit. And you always want to do that, guys, when you go to the track. If you're running pump gas, no matter if you're running 91, 93, or whatever the hell you're running, it's good practice to run a little bit of octane booster. So today I'm gonna be running the VP Racing octane booster. I'm not sponsored by VP or anybody. This is just something that a new product I decided to try, and I figure why not let you guys know about it. And who knows, some of you guys probably already used this before. I've never used it. This is my first time. I guess I'm gonna see what kind of results we get today out of this. Now I'm only gonna pour about half the bottle, only because I only have half a tank in the car currently, and I don't plan on running no more than half a tank while I'm going down the track. Granted, I gotta drive to my friend's house and then to the track. So when I get to the track, I'll probably be at a quarter tank roughly, give or take. I may put a gallon or two inside of it just so I'm not low. I don't want to starve the fuel pump or anything. But I'm going to try to keep it at half a tank going down the track. No more, no less. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. So as I go down the track today, I'm going to be posting videos. And well, I'm going to be recording videos with my phone. And I'm going to try to get the GoPros charged to be able to get some footages for you guys. I'm pretty excited. This is, like I said, this is my first time taking this car down the track. This is my second time going down the track. I'm no track expert. I still have a lot to learn, but I figure why not? I got a car here that's, you know, it's drivable, fun to drive, and I'm just curious to see what kind of times it put down. And yes, I know it's not. This car was not built for drag racing. You know, it's built for obviously it's a track weapon, but it's not built for drag racing. So I know that it's not going to put a fast time down. It's going to put probably, if I'm lucky, I'll be able to put down maybe around 15-second quarter mile or something like that. But yeah, just something fun to do, guys. That's all it is. Life's all about, you know, working hard, having fun, spending time with family and loved ones. Just enjoy the things that we work hard for. You know, we don't always have to take things seriously. Go down there, have a good time, and let it be that. That's it for now. All right, guys, so I'm heading to Carlos's house to link up with him so we can drive together to the track, which is about maybe 10-15 minutes from his house. We might swap cars when I get there. We might not. I don't really know yet. One thing I know is we both need a little bit of gas. So I'm still at a half tank right now, but I have to account for drive to his house and then to the track. So I'll probably burn, you know, at least another 2 gallons or so. Anyways, let me see. Probably just go this way. Anyways, yeah. So I'll record a little bit more when I get there. All right, guys. So Carlos and I switched cars. He is over there going to his wife's, I can't even point, Tahoe, to talk to her a little bit. But anyways, Carlos and I switched cars. I'm in the FK8. He's about to hop in my FL5 with his son. We're gonna head out to a gas station by the track, and then we're gonna party, have a good time. These right here. Some Miatas, some VWs, all type of cars.
He probably gonna feel it now that he got it. Yeah. He gonna get in and realize, oh shit. He's not, bro. He's committed to fixing it.
Yeah, he's devoted. He put too much. Yeah, no, it's a nice idea.
Gianni, you weren't lying. Oh, I mean, Ford does it on the fucking F-150, but they won't do it on a fucking...
What you got right here? That's the FD. Yep. Yeah, it's pretty clean.
This week got way bigger than I thought it was.
Yeah, we were saying that. I didn't think a lot of people were going to show up because it was cold, but
There's a lot of fucking... The SI is definitely a lot of fun.
some love too, man.
Watch your car ride.
It's the
See that? If you had a sound, I would hear it.
You could hear it going by. That shit don't got no sound.
Goddamn electric cars.
No sound.
You serious?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Looked about like 6 or 7.
About like 8.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. I do apologize that the track was closed, but these are things that we can't control. We will be going back to the track pretty soon once Carlos and I do some mods on our cars. And I'm hoping to get you guys some lap times or something, or even some street pools or some flybys or something pretty soon, so you guys can see the progress on the car. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Stay blessed.